Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 packet of active dry yeast, and 1 cup of warm milk. Don't forget 1 large egg and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, gradually add the warm milk, egg, and melted butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a floured surface. Knead for approximately 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rise for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has beautifully risen, gently punch it down and roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter to create your classic shapes, or 2 different sized round cutters for a homemade touch. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop in a few donuts at a time, frying for 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown. The final, delicious step is glazing. While your donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 2 cups of powdered sugar with about 4 tablespoons of milk or cream. You can add a touch of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Place them on a wire rack to set, and then enjoy your homemade, perfectly sweet treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.